Many people believe they have to live their lives in fear. The strong pull of society makes them think that they have to be realistic. That's the real world.
Отлично!
I want to choose something else. I want to choose to not live out of fear. Instead, I want to live from gratitude. Each day, I want to find something to be thankful for. The beautiful sunshine, the lake, the people around me.
Ну да.
There's always something. And the truly magical thing is, once we find that thing to be thankful for, life's magic begins to grow. And it will keep growing until our life will be unrecognizable. Just as long as we focus on what we have, on the power of being in this moment, happy. We choose to be happy. Choose to be happy.